Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Nisi, Denise Champion from Gifted Glory. For those of you that know me, know I love my coffee. I can drink coffee all day long, right? And so, I discovered Keurig many, many years ago, and then they got famous for the now K-Cups. And the K-Cups were so expensive that they had to come up with other options for people to use their regular coffee into the K-Cups. And so they came up with these, okay, which I use from time to time. However, my son purchased this one for me. It is a Keurig 2.0, excuse me, 2.0. And this morning, it didn't want to work. And this has happened before. However, when that happens, guys, there is a certain amount of pantic that goes along with it, right? And so what I'm really wanting you to see and know today, right, is that there's no need for panic, okay? You can fix it. If you are trying to make your cup of coffee and it starts and just does a couple of drops and it cuts off, it stops, doesn't really shut down, it cuts off, it doesn't make the cup of coffee, don't panic, okay? With the 2.0, I've had a couple of Keurigs. With the 2.0, there was a little package. And in that package, it says brewer maintenance accessories, and as you can see, the package is not new, it's old, right? Very old. So, in this little package are instructions for your brewer. Accessories. The accessory that came with the brewer is actually this little, it looks like a little toy, right? So when your coffee is not going to function, all right, you're simply just pop your little toy in there, close it down, lift it up, close it down, lift it up. You leave it in the on position. Close it down, lift it up, close it down, and you're going to get this sign. That's fine, okay? Lift it up. This came with the Keurig. Now, can you see what is in there? Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's coffee grounds. I'm trying to get it where you can see. So let me just take it off because now I want to empty this. It's just water in here. So hold for me. I'll be right back. It's probably ready as well, it's probably ready. But, I'm going to set my coffee cup here so that it holds my phone. While I go rinse this out. Be right back. I did go ahead and I rinsed the grounds out and I put more water to this line, okay? We're going to put that back in here. And the arrows here, guys, are going to show you exactly how this goes, okay? It goes here. All right, so we're going to try that again. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. And the instructions say to do it 3 times. And, I wanted to make sure that you guys could see. And no, don't panic. Don't go out and buy a new Keurig. Don't get a needle or anything else and try to stick it. It's this right here. Can you see that? It's that right there. Let me back off. Boom. That's the needle that goes through your coffee K-cup. And if it gets the slightest grounds up in here, okay, you can't see them, you will not see them, okay, it will cause your coffee pot to stop. I'm going to do this one more time, lift it up. And I'm going to take this out, and we are going to look down in it. Look at there. So it's much cleaner than before, okay? And I had done this prior as well. So also here are some of the grinds. That much can be in your K-Cup coffee maker, okay? Now what I want to do is I'm going to sit you back over here. I'm going to get a clean cup. I want a clean cup, okay? Oh, you really can't see anything but my Keurig, huh? Good morning, Keurig. This is my best friend. Guys, this is my very best friend ever, okay? My best friend ever. Look at her. She is 4 years old. So, I try to take good care of her. You know what I'm saying? Descaling and all of that other stuff. However, what I want to do right now is I'm going to get a cup for her. And so that we can, you're going to be looking at something crazy here. This is crazy. I just want somebody to hold my phone, not look at the bottom of my K-Cup, my Keurig. All right. I'll sit you right there for a moment. And I'm going to get a clean cup. Voila, clean cup. Okay? I'm going to put that clean cup in there. I'm going to lift it up without this in there. And I want it to run some clean water. And let's see what we get. We're going to push start. This is part of just taking care of your Keurig, actually. It really, 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 really is. This water is very hot, so be very careful. It's extremely hot. Look, guys. Look at that. So this is just general maintenance. Here in this house, we drink a lot of coffee. We drink a lot of coffee. And so you just have to be careful and make certain that you are cleaning your Keurig. But guess what? It went all the way through, did it not? So I'm gonna run that through a couple of more times before I make my cup of coffee. It's waiting for me. Woo! Yes! It is now working. I didn't even think about that. So guess what? It did. It went all the way through to push that out. You understand what I'm saying? So don't panic. Don't rush out and buy another Keurig. Go to Keurig.com. And this is not a paid, sponsored, it should be. This is not a paid or sponsored video. This is simply because if you love coffee like I love coffee. Guys, I love coffee. You hear me? I love coffee. This house loves coffee, okay? And so we keep coffee and coffee-like items, all right? And so if we come down and this puppy is not working, then Houston, we have a problem, okay? And so I'm saying that to say, don't panic. Don't go out and buy a new Keurig. What you want to do is get you one of these little fellas. If it came in the box, you still have the box, go look in there, pull it out. It works wonders. I was painting. I have paint on my hand, if you see. Was painting and wanted my morning coffee. Couldn't get it. Boom. Right? And that unclogs it. And it will work. All right? Do not go out and buy a new Keurig. You don't have to. They make really super good machines. Again, this is going on over 4 years old. When the 2.0 first came out was when my son got it for me. So I want to say to you, don't panic. Make certain that you get you one of these devices. please go online, Keurig.com, and buy you a brewer maintenance accessory. That is what this is. It's like jewelry. That's an accessory to a great outfit, right? Look at that, okay? Look at this, okay? I could not get my morning coffee because of old grains. Do I keep it clean? Absolutely. But there are times that you will need to, during your descaling process, go ahead and use your accessory. It has the instructions here. It's easy breezy for you to use. It tells you that your coffee pot also needs to be on, right, in order to do this. Be very careful because that water is scalding hot. So I knew this cup would hold up. I use this for my paintings and to mix paint in. And so I know it's pretty sturdy. But either way, I am ready, guys, to run this through a couple of more times until I have absolutely no grains in my coffee water. When there are 0 grains in the water, then I will go ahead and make me my first cup of coffee for the morning. Thank you for joining me. Again, this is Nisi from Gifted Glory. I keep telling you, there are all kind of life hacks that you will find that will make your day an easier day. Please do click like and subscribe on the channel and leave your comments, guys. Leave your comments. Don't throw out the Keurig. It's not broke, okay? Just clean it out. Get the accessory. Should be a couple of dollars. It certainly is not as expensive as buying a brand new one, okay? Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you later on the fly when we're doing a fly by the seat of my pants pour and paint. Thank you. Bye-bye now.